Welcome. So today I will show you how you can switch the mode so you can actually have a big display in your virtual world. So by default, Quest 3 comes with this tiny little panel which you can also grab with your hands or the controller when you hover over it, and whatever you open up with it, like for instance here, will be just visible in this small window, which you can position, I guess, really closely, but that's just weird to have, display light in front of your face. So I prefer to have it big but further away, and you can actually do that. It's a change that you can do by going into the quick settings right here and then select switch view, and this will then make it much bigger and also give you the option to resize it, or not this one, not like this. So once you hover over the edges, grab it, stretch it out, and voila. Obviously it works significantly better for applications like browser, where you can just spread it out on the entire page. So yeah. So anyway, if you found this video helpful, don't forget to hit like, subscribe, and thanks for watching.